Husky Advantage+Enterprise. For the last 5 years, Advantage+Elite has successfully delivered real-time monitoring to more than 2,000 machines in 75 countries. Now, we are taking it to the next level for your enterprise. Introducing Advantage+Enterprise Insights. We know your time is valuable. That's why we've tailored 4 personal Advantage+Enterprise views to meet the specific needs of CEOs, VPs of operations, and VPs of maintenance. CEOs can quickly see the health of their install base and identify top and bottom performing plants. VPs of operations gain insight into SKU level performance. VPs of maintenance can track mean time to repair and identify maintenance opportunities. In addition, the mold management system provides visibility to plan, forecast, and budget refurbishment activities. And that's just the beginning. More role-specific dashboards are coming soon. We empower you with significant and sustainable operational insights. Let's take a closer look. Start with a quick general assessment of your company's situation, then dive into key insights relevant to your role. Select the insights of interest and choose displaying data of the last months, weeks, or days. You are able to change the time frame at any time. Your KPIs show trends at a glance, comparing them to the previous time. Below, you'll find detailed views of the KPIs that matter most to you. Click Explore to unlock the full power of your dashboard and customize it to fit your needs. Adjust the time frame to explore different time periods and data. Bring your attention to areas of improvement by filtering. You can decide about your level of information to dive deeper into specific parts of your company or take a step back to receive a holistic overview. You can switch between all the KPIs and access even more data without leaving exploration mode, and understand data on a deeper level. Plus, with Husky Best in Class, you can compare your production performance to industry standards. All data is securely processed and anonymized, ensuring a confidential benchmarking experience. Need to download or share your data for discussion? Export it in different formats or send it via email or direct messaging. Stay informed at your desk or on the go with powerful insights at your fingertips. Advantage+Enterprise by Husky. Actionable insights at a glance.